Have you ever worried about losing access to your crypto if something unexpected happened? Or maybe you wanted to share funds or share a wallet between your friends, family members, or business associates. Introducing the Nimiq Multisig App, an app that allows multiple users to jointly control a wallet and approve transactions together for safer shared crypto management. Who's the app for? It's built for individuals, families, and teams who want shared control and security over their crypto assets, period. Here's how to get started with the Nimiq Multisig app. Visit the Nimiq Multisig app in your browser by going to multisig.nimiq.com. Then log in using your wallet, or create a new wallet if you don't have one already. Once you're logged into your wallet, click Create Shared Wallet and give it a name fitting the wallet's purpose. This could be a family name, a fund name, or maybe a business name. Set the wallet name, then choose the participants, anywhere from 2 to 16 participants, and specify the required approvals. Again, anywhere from 2 to 16 required approvals. Send the secure invite links to the participants and wait for them to join. Verify your email address to get a notification when all participants have joined. Next step, fund your shared wallet with NIM from any Nimiq wallet to the shared wallet. Then you can create a transaction. Anyone in the shared wallet can start one. Next step, approve the shared transaction. Once the commitments are complete, signers sign the transaction using the Nimiq keyguard. Lastly, when all the required signatures are collected and the due date has been reached, the transaction is sent. Try the Nimiq Multisig app today to secure your crypto with trusted collaborators and gain peace of mind over your crypto assets.